life is this incredibly unknown journey.
Never has it been more important to build this muscle around being comfortable with ambiguity.
The technology that we have right now and the world that we live in now, there was no semblance of that in 2006 when I was about to leave Hampshire.
Hampshire is really a way of thinking, is resiliency, is flexibility. It allows you to move in any direction and know how to be successful.
You're always going to be able to solve kind of the stickiest problems, because if you don't know how to fix it, you're going to at least have the ability to take on the challenge and to learn the tools necessary.
So in each of these moments, I'm faced with new issues, new fields, and all I have is that Hampshire excitement and that Hampshire toolbox to use to address those concerns.
That really helped me not just prepare for life after Hampshire, but learn how to learn and learn how to adapt and tackle things in different ways and think creatively about how to apply the things I'm thinking about to different situations.
Hampshire, the benefit of having 5 colleges around it definitely gave me that level of adaptability, right? I was able to adapt to a 300-person lecture hall like at UMass while also being in a 6-person classroom, discussion-based classroom at Hampshire, right? Having those experiences really helped make me a more multi-dimensional human being.
There's a real advantage to being kind of a polymath, or like to being like intensely interdisciplinary.
And something that's so beneficial about, being able to take lots of different classes and learn about what you want to learn about is that's a lot more realistic. That's a lot more true to what the world is like.
I've been very happy in running my business for 20 years, and now I need a new challenge. And Hampshire has given me that ability to now pivot. And I'm not starting over. I'm taking all this lifetime of skills with me, and I'm now going to pivot that and apply it to a new situation.